Yeah, it's been quite a while I did a video. So today I decided to make 1, 2, 3, 4 series of videos, Yeah, to intimate you, my newbies, and those who already have wonderful knowledge about the RoyalQ Robot. My experience so far within the last 3 months, it's been so amazing that RoyalQ is become my second business. I would say my second side hustle. And precisely today, we experienced a major crash in the price of cryptocurrencies. And, you know, so many of these coins, their prices went down and they are fast recovering. So today, very quickly, I want to run us through all the modules on RoyalQ. This is the home page. The top left button stands for the API. Once you click that, it brings you to the page where you bind your Binance account with RoyalQ account. Right, you can see it's bound. That I've set the API and security keys on Binance, and I've copied and pasted it here, confirmed, and it is all done. And once you are done, you have the bound notification up there. For Huobi, I've not bound Huobi, and that's why you see unbound. So to bind it, you click on it, you go to Huobi, you click on API management, you would see the access key and security key. All you need to do is copy it right here and click on send beside verification code, and the verification code will be sent to the email address you used to register. So you paste here, then you click on I have read, and then you bind. It's as simple as that. That's how to bind your API with RoyalQ. So the next button to the right is the revenue details. So once you click the revenue details, it opens up the revenue page, and you can see the daily revenue you earn every day. So like you can see, these are my revenue from the very first day I started, 14th of September, all through, all through. So this is the page that shows you your daily earnings. That's the revenue details button. Revenue details button, that's it here. So now I go to the reward details. So the reward details, once you click it takes you to the page where you see the 12 income streams on RoyalQ. Okay, number one is you have the whole, which summarizes all the revenue, all the rewards you get from your team. These are free bonuses. You get daily, day in, day out, as long as your team members are making profit. These are the profits I've made so far. So to the right, I have activation gain. These are $30. I'm still in V1. $30 per invite per person that activates his robot through me. So that's it, $30. I have 180 under activation gain, which has been given to me free of charge for just inviting friends. Okay, I have direct quantification. This is when those who activate through me make profit. I get 4% of their daily profit, and that's calculated by 20% of the gas fee charged on their everyday profit. That's this. So I get it every day. That's that. So onto the team quantification. I have nothing for team quantification, and so on and so forth. I think I only earn currently on the direct quantification, okay, and the activation gain. So again, to the right? That's the fourth button. I have the assets. Under the assets, you have deposit, you have withdrawal, you have transfer. Okay, a lot of people are getting it wrong when it comes to this page. This is the button you click on to get your TRC20 wallet address. I mean your USDT wallet address for T20. Once you click it, it shows, and then you copy your USDT, and then when sending USDT to RoyalQ, you ensure the network is on TRC20. You change the network to TRC20. So that's the chain on which RoyalQ USDT wallet is based. So don't get it wrong. So the next button is the withdrawal. Yeah, withdrawal. This withdrawal button is, to withdraw to external wallet. So once you click the address, you paste the address. If it is from Binance, if it is from Hobby, if it is from Trust Wallet, anywhere, any USDT wallet address, you paste it here, and then you select the quantity you want to transfer. You can see the minimum number of withdrawal is 10 USDT. 10 USDT, and then the transaction fee is constant here, 2 USDT. And then once you click confirm, you you confirm, you get the code and all that. So transfer, which is the third one here, is transfer within RoyalQ. Transfer within RoyalQ. Like I want to transfer to a fellow RoyalQ user. So it is the transaction fee there is 0 USDT. You are not charged for transferring to another person on RoyalQ. So that's the minimum number of transfer out is 10 USDT. And then you paste the address of the RoyalQ USDT wallet address of that person, and you paste it there, and then you confirm, and then you do all the necessary approval. I would like to keep this video short, but time is running up. Okay, here, invite friend. This is where you get your invite code. So this is your invitation code, or you copy recommended and then you paste and then you send it to your friend. So you have https / all of those the website extension address, you have that. So right here you have the quantitative courses. So on RoyalQ you have videos you can watch for RoyalQ operational tutorials. What is quantitative trading? That's what RoyalQ does. The principal income, the floating loss, different teachings. RoyalQ technical team have uploaded these videos here to teach us. So you scroll through to see. Even API binding tutorial videos are there. You can access that. So again, we have the user guide, and here these are just articles written, so you can click on them and then read them one by one. So this is how it looks like. So you click any of it, API binding, blah 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 blah. Yeah, that's user guide, and then you go to more brings everything all over again. That's API binding, revenue details, we've seen it, revenue, reward details, assets, invite friends, quantification, user guide. Okay, then you have more here, right here. Once you click members, so it takes you to the page where you see your current level and the rewards that are due to you. So for me, I'm in V1. That's why you see FM success, that's Femi success V1. I'm still in V1. So to move to level 2, it's saying from V1 to level 2, I need to have to push 3 V1s and 20 team members. That means I need to have directly referred 3 persons, and then 20 team members, either directly I get them, or those 3 people get 17 orders. So that's the meaning of that, 20 team members. Yeah, and then these are the rewards that will be given to me. Revenue activation direct push is $30 for activating people under me, and then profit distribution is 20%. That was what I was saying earlier, 20%. So you get 20% of the 20% gas fee charged to your team members, to your direct team members in quotes. So that's member center. So chart ranking, this ranks all the cycle traders. These are, on RoyalQ you have the copy, you can copy people, and their strategies, so this is it, the profit by profit list. These are the people according to their profit list, they are ranked. The number one person is AI bot. Number two person that earns big on RoyalQ is Kogaku AI says. Number three persons that earn on RoyalQ is EPFHSHT8. That's it. And then number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can actually look for these people, copy them, and then you have hot list, and then you also have QQ hot list, according to how hot they are, they are constantly making profit. Hot list. So popularity list, these are people that are popular, traders that are popular on RoyalQ, that you can copy their trades. So you can go look for them at the cycle colon. So we've seen more. Okay, here we have the operational strategies. These are the coins you are trading, operational strategies. And then you have the odds. These are the odds coin that are traded on RoyalQ by 24 hours. And then this is it. These are the odd people, and these are the coins that are being traded on RoyalQ 24 hours constantly. And then you have Binance. You can change, these are on Binance. Then you can change to Huobi to see Huobi cryptocurrencies. I do not have anything on Huobi. I do not have any coin traded on Huobi currently. That's why you will see nothing here. So I'll change to Binance because I'm on Binance. Okay, so that's that. I would like to stop here. This is still exploration of the home page. Then I have the quantitative side, cycle, news, and then mine. Okay, I'll stop here. So do not forget to like my videos so that it can go viral, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have more videos incoming. I have fantastic trade settings that are coming today. I'll record them today, maybe post later on in the week. Trade settings that will never make you see 40% floating loss, 43, 69, 21, 36. I just, my 3 months of using RoyalQ, I've learned so many lessons, and I am eager and happy to teach you, my viewers, never to fall into the same pit. So hop on board, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, so that you can be the first to get the notification when I release my next videos. Thank you. See you in the next video where I explain other models like the quantitative, the cycle, news, and mine. Thank you.